Hello everyone, today let's we meet 20 baby of animals just like kitten, cat, pole. First, puppy. A puppy is a young dog. It is playful and full of energy. Puppies learn quickly with training. They grow into loyal pets. Next, kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. It is a small, cute and curious. Kittens love to play and sleep. They grow into independent cats. Next, calf. A calf is a baby cow. It drinks milk from its mother. Calves are gentle and calm. They grow into large farm animals. Next, foal. A foal is a baby horse. It can stand shortly after birth. Foals are very active and playful. They grow into strong horses. Next, lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. It has soft and woolly fur. Lambs love to stay in groups. They grow into wool-producing sheep. Next, kid. A kid is a baby goat. It is very energetic and playful. Kids like to jump and climb. They grow into hardy goats. Next, piglet. A piglet is a baby pig. It is small and pink in color. Piglets stay close to their mother. They grow into strong pigs. Next, chick. A chick is a baby chicken. It hatches from an egg. Chicks are soft and fluffy. They grow into hens or roosters. Next, duckling. A duckling is a baby duck. It can swim soon after birth. Ducklings follow their mother. They grow into water birds. Next, gosling. Gosling is a baby goose. It has soft yellow feathers. Goslings eat grass and grains. They grow into large geese. Next, cub. A cub is a baby lion. It is born blind and weak. Cubs learn hunting by playing. They grow into powerful lions. Next, cub. A cub is a baby tiger. It has faint strips at birth. Tigers' cubs stay with their mother. They grow into sting predators. Next, fawn. A fawn is a baby deer. It has white spots on its body. Fawns hide to stay safe. They grow into fast runners. Next, joy. A joy is a baby kangaroo. It lives in its mother pouch. Joys drink milk for many months. They grow into jumpers. Next, pup. A pup is a baby seal. It is born on land or ice. Pups have thick fur. They grow into strong swimmers. Next, owlet. An owlet is a baby owl. It is covered with soft feathers. Owlets stay in nests. They grow into night hunters. Next, leveret. A leveret is a baby hare. It is born with open eyes. Leverets can move quickly. They grow into fast animals. Next, tadpole. A tadpole is a baby frog. It lives in water. Tadpoles have tails and gills. They change into frogs. Next, eaglet. A eaglet is a baby eagle. It stays in a high nest. Eaglets are fed by parents. They grow into strong flyers. Next, colt. A colt is a baby donkey. It is calm and friendly. Colts stay near their mothers. They grow into working animals.